Blizzard warning. Issued at Sunday 3:19 p.m. February 23, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. The combination of falling snow and strong southerly winds up to 70 km per hour will cause blizzard conditions overnight Sunday night into Monday morning. A blizzard warning is issued when winds are expected to produce blowing snow with widespread visibilities of 400 meters or less for at least 6 hours. #####. Visibility will be suddenly reduced to near zero at times in heavy snow and blowing snow. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to QCStorm@EC.GC.ca or post reports on X using #QCStorm. Recommended action. Limit outdoor activities.